Dear friends, this time, let's dive into an essential topic. How you've managed fuel efficiency and reduced operational costs for the machinery fleet. Here are some recommended answers and insights to help you feel more confident and prepared when addressing this question. Answer. A recent project presented a great opportunity for me to focus on improving fuel efficiency and reducing operational costs for our machinery fleet. It was a large-scale infrastructure development with a mixed fleet of heavy machinery, including excavators, loaders, dozers, and haul trucks. Given the scale of the operation and the high fuel consumption, I identified fuel management as a key area where we could achieve significant savings. Here's how I approached the challenge. 1. Conducting a fleet assessment. The first step was to analyze the current fuel usage across the fleet. I used our telematics system to gather data on A. Fuel consumption per machine. B. Idle time. C. Operating hours. D. Machine utilization. This data gave me a clear understanding of where inefficiencies existed. For example, I noticed that certain machines were left idling for long periods during shifts, contributing to unnecessary fuel usage. Some operators were also not using the equipment optimally, which further increased fuel consumption. 2. Introducing operator training programs. One of the key contributors to fuel inefficiency is operator behavior. To address this, I implemented a targeted operator training program focused on fuel-efficient operation practices. This included A. Reducing idle time. Operators were trained to turn off machines when not in use, rather than leaving them running between tasks. B. Optimal engine operation. We emphasized smooth, consistent operation to reduce fuel consumption, avoiding aggressive acceleration or excessive engine revving. C. Using the right equipment for the task. I ensured that operators were using the correct machine size and type for each task, reducing strain on the equipment and improving fuel efficiency. The training sessions also covered telematics data interpretation, so operators could see how their individual behaviors impacted fuel consumption. This created a sense of ownership and accountability among the operators. 3. Optimizing fleet scheduling and equipment utilization. Using data from the telematics system, I optimized the fleet's usage by ensuring that each machine was assigned to tasks that matched its capacity. This avoided underutilization of large machines for small jobs, which was previously leading to higher fuel consumption. For example, we had several larger dozers being used for earth-moving tasks that could have been handled by smaller, more fuel-efficient machines. By reallocating the right equipment to the right tasks, we were able to significantly reduce fuel consumption without compromising productivity. 4. Implementing a preventive maintenance program. Well-maintained equipment runs more efficiently and uses less fuel. I implemented a stricter preventive maintenance program focused on A. Regular engine tune-ups. Ensuring that engines were running at peak efficiency. B. Frequent air filter replacements. Dirty filters can increase fuel consumption, so I ensured filters were cleaned or replaced at regular intervals. C. Tire pressure monitoring. Underinflated tires can increase fuel usage in wheeled machines, so I instituted a routine tire pressure check before each shift. By keeping the machinery in optimal working condition, we were able to reduce fuel consumption across the fleet and extend the lifespan of the equipment, further reducing operational costs. 5. Fuel monitoring and data-driven adjustments. I used the telematics system's fuel monitoring capabilities to track fuel usage in real time and made data-driven adjustments throughout the project. For instance, I set up automated alerts for when fuel consumption exceeded preset thresholds, which allowed us to identify issues such as A. Excessive idle times. B. Fuel leaks or inefficient operation. C. Potential engine performance issues. This proactive monitoring allowed us to address inefficiencies quickly, ensuring that fuel consumption stayed within acceptable limits. I also used this data to forecast fuel needs more accurately, which helped reduce waste and avoid unnecessary fuel purchases. 6. Introducing fuel-saving technologies. To further enhance fuel efficiency, I explored adding advanced technologies such as A. Idle limiting devices. These automatically shut down machines after a certain period of inactivity, reducing fuel waste due to idling. B. Eco mode settings. For machines equipped with eco mode functionality, I encouraged operators to use this setting during less demanding tasks to conserve fuel. These technologies, combined with operator training, significantly cut down on fuel consumption, particularly during periods of lower activity. 7. Measuring and reporting results. Over the course of the project, I closely monitored the impact of these initiatives on fuel consumption and operational costs. After implementing these changes, we saw a 15% reduction in overall fuel consumption over a 6-month period. A 12% decrease in idle time, which translated to lower fuel waste and reduced engine wear. Lower operational costs from reduced fuel consumption and fewer unplanned maintenance incidents due to better operator practices and preventive maintenance. These improvements not only reduced our immediate fuel costs but also contributed to longer equipment life, reduced emissions, and increased project profitability. 8. Continuous improvement. I didn't stop at these changes. I regularly reviewed the fuel consumption data and worked with the team to find further areas for improvement. For example, we started rotating equipment between projects to ensure optimal utilization and further reduce underuse or overuse. By implementing a combination of data analysis, operator training, preventive maintenance, and fuel-saving technologies, I was able to improve fuel efficiency and significantly reduce operational costs for our machinery fleet. The project's success also set a precedent for applying these practices to future projects, leading to ongoing savings and better resource management. This answer demonstrates a comprehensive and proactive approach to fuel efficiency, showcasing both technical and managerial skills in reducing operational costs while maintaining or improving project performance. We've also shared our recommended response to how you've managed fuel efficiency and reduced operational costs for the machinery fleet. These insights are designed to support you in demonstrating your expertise and knowledge effectively. Remember, if you find our content valuable, please subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel, Infomechanizer. It's completely free, and your support helps us reach more people in the industry. Stay tuned for more insights and tips. Let's continue growing together.